The Rack Shop is proud to present this Chevrolet Tahoe, year range from 2015 to 2020. We've just installed the Yakima CoreBar SkyLine base roof rack system, So this utilizes Yakima's CoreBar, which is kind of an evolution of their classic round bar. So it's steel construction with the vinyl coating. So same construction, but does have an aero profile. So it helps cut down on wind noise. So not as great performing as their Jetstream bar, but a great economical solution for a roof rack system. So below the bar, you've got the SkyLine Tower. Those are a set of 4. And below that, you've got the vehicle specific landing pad, and that's landing pad 17 for this model. So the really nice feature about the SkyLine Tower, and one reason why you might want to purchase locks, which go in that little circle in the middle, this tower has the ability to quickly attach or detach simply by pulling the cover out and lifting up. So if you need to frequently put on or off the rack, that allows you to do that really easily. Or if you need to take it off to wash the car, really nice feature there. They do provide caps with the landing pad to cap off this entryway, and that way then no dirt or debris accumulates. So when you're ready to drop the bars in, you remove the cap and then just drop the bar into place and then push up on the cover. There you go, and then lock it if you have locks. So those are optional, sold separately. Yeah, so this is a great system to this factory installed flush side rail. So the flush side rail actually has connection points on the back side. So while it is a flush rail, it's sort of a fixed point application, kind of a hybrid of sorts, but that's pretty common on a lot of vehicles nowadays. So on the back side, it's not just standard bolts. You do have actual tamper resistant fasteners holding it in place. So if somebody were to try to remove this, they'd have to have the right tools and probably plenty of time to detach everything. So the bars are about 27.5 inches center to center. Great crossbar spacing for all your standard accessories, bikes, kayaks, cargo boxes, baskets, whatnot. Plenty of accessories fit this range. There is a third mounting point towards the rear. So you can put the bars there. However, not all accessories will work with that crossbar spacing. So you want to make sure you read up on the accessory before you mount in that location. Maybe some longer items like a cargo basket with an extension, something like that, or a long kayak canoe might take advantage of that wider crossbar spacing. But for most of your accessories, this is going to be your default location, the bar on the front connection, and then the back bar in the middle points. Going to the back one again is going to be just a little bit too wide. So 165 pound carrying capacity for the system. So great for all your other gear. Great fitting to this vehicle. So there you go, just a quick walk around look at this. For more details, information, click on the link in the description below. And like always, thanks for watching.